Welcome to Droplr. In this webinar, we're going to go over the basics of Droplr, a top screenshot and screen recording app that will help you get work done faster. We'll go over Droplr's Chrome extension and Mac and Windows apps, as well as the Droplr Dashboard online. First, to get started with Droplr, you can try out our 7-day free trial. This free trial comes with all features, including our dashboard, screenshot, screen recording, GIFs on Mac and Windows, integrations, and of course our most important feature, link sharing. We'll go over link sharing a little bit more later, but basically, whenever you take a screenshot or screen recording on Droplr, Droplr generates an associated short link so that you can share your screenshot or screen recording with anyone, anywhere, with just the click of a button. First, we're going to go over the Chrome web extension. You can find the Chrome extension on the Chrome Web Store, and then you can add it to your Chrome. Using the Chrome extension, you can take screenshots and screen recordings. You can also view your last 5 drops and go to your dashboard. For screenshots, you can take a picture of the selected area of your screen, an application window, full screen, or the entire page. So here for the selected area, simply drag along the area you want to screenshot. As you can see here, Droplr has already generated a short link associated with your screenshot. The screenshot has been automatically saved in the Droplr cloud. If you copy and paste this URL, you can show your screenshot directly with other people without having to download it. However, you can also choose to download it to your desktop if you want. You can also mark up your screenshot using arrows, shapes, pencil and highlighter, smiley faces, text, and our blurring tool, which lets you blur out sensitive information. Once you finish, you can save it and then once again copy the link to share. To screen record with Droplr's Chrome extension, click here and go to the Screencast tab. From here, you can decide to turn your audio on and off. You can also click on Advanced Options to turn your webcam on and off. Select video quality. You can record your full desktop or the current tab with the Chrome extension. You can check right here to see if your webcam is in the right place. Then when you're ready to record, simply press the play button. While you're screen recording, you can scroll around your screen, point out information, and explain it to your audience. Once you're done recording, simply press the check mark. When Droplr is finished preparing your recording, you can choose to download it, trim it. Let's go over video trimming a bit more. You can trim from the beginning of the recording and the end of the recording to cut out any recording that you don't wish to include in your final video. You can also play your recording back to make sure that you have hit the exact right spot you wish to trim. Once you're ready to start trimming, you can choose to delete the original drop. Then, Droplr will trim your video and create a new screen recording with a new link that you can copy to share. You can also download Droplr for Mac and Windows. With the Mac app, you can also take screenshots and screen recordings like the Chrome extension. However, there are some additional features. Here with the Mac app, you can see more of your previous drops. You can also click View All Drops to go to the Droplr Dashboard. If you click Preferences, you can see some general information about your account, and keyboard shortcuts. Use these shortcuts to screenshot and screen record without going into your app. The Mac app also lets you access plugins. For example, you can share a Photoshop file directly to Droplr as a PNG. This way, you can share your Photoshop creation as a short link, and so people can access it by going to the Droplr cloud. You can also upload any file directly to Droplr so that, once again, you can share it with anyone, anywhere with a short link. Screenshots work fairly similar in the Mac app, except the crosshairs, as you can see, look a little bit different. Also with the Mac app, your link is copied right away, so you can go paste it right away. We've already gone over our markup tools, so let's go over a few of these other buttons that you can use. Right here, you can copy your short link. Here, you can manage your drops privacy. You can set it to public, team only if you have Droplr for Teams, or private. You can also set when the drop will self-destruct, and you can add it to boards and tags. We will go over this way of organizing drops a little bit later when we discuss the Droplr Dashboard. For recording with the Mac app, you can choose to record as a video or as a GIF. For video, you can record with several different presets to determine how much of your screen you want to record. You can also set which area of your screen right here. You can choose to set a timer before the recording starts. You can turn your microphone on and off. You can also choose to show mouse clicks. However, you cannot use webcam with the Mac app. You can also use the Droplr Mac app and the Windows app to create and share GIFs. To do so, simply click up here, go to Screencast, and choose GIF. Then you can choose one of our optional presets, or you can move this box to decide the area of your screen that you would wish to GIF. Then press record. Once you're done recording, simply press the stop button. Droplr will then create your GIF, and then you can view it in the Droplr dashboard. As you can see here, a GIF is a screen recording that replays the same few seconds over and over. GIFs are a great way to share a quick visual message and share emotions such as humor or excitement. Finally, there's a few more things you can do with the Droplr Mac app on the More tab here. You can mark down a note, code a snippet, shorten any link on the web, or upload the contents of your clipboard directly to Droplr. The Windows app has the same features as the Mac app, though it looks a little different. You can access the Windows app from here. As you can see, just like with the Mac app, you can view your last drops, go to your preferences in order to see information about your system, account, and the hotkeys for Windows. You can also compose a note, share a code snippet, share files, folders, and the contents of your clipboard to Droplr, and then here, screenshot, screencast, including screencasting as GIF. For screenshots, you can either choose to do a full screen screenshot, or you can select the area of your screen that you want to share. For screencasting, you can select to share your entire screen, or once again, select an area of your screen. Finally, let's go over the Droplr dashboard. Here in the dashboard, you can upload a file to Droplr, mark down a note, shorten a link, or code a snippet. You can also drag and drop a file directly into the Droplr cloud. Remember that any files that you upload into the cloud will have an associated short link generated for them that can be used to share the screenshot, screen recording, or other file with anyone, anywhere. If you click on individual recordings, you can go up here and copy their short link, download them, add them to boards or tags, manage their privacy, set self-destruct, or delete them. You can also select multiple files at once to complete those actions for all the files selected. You may want to self-destruct or delete your files if they contain private information you no longer want to share, or if you have run into a limit for the number of files you can store on the Droplr cloud. The limit for the number of files you can store ranges from 500 gigabytes to unlimited for enterprise accounts. Tags and boards can help you organize your drops. For example, any drop that has the video tag can be grouped here so you can view all your videos within the same area. For boards, you can decide to group several different drops together. When creating a new board, you can choose the board name, set privacy. If it is password protected, then you will have to share the password you set with someone in order to share the board. You can also share your boards directly with users. Droplr also includes shared items in your dashboard. These are any drops that teammates and others have shared directly with you. You can also look at optional add-ons in the Droplr dashboard. These are additional features that you can subscribe to. For example, you can pay for your own logo to be on your drop pages, your own domain or subdomain that will replace the d.pr in your drop links, or premium analytics. Premium analytics is great for teams and businesses so you can get a deeper understanding of how well your drops are performing for each teammate, and also how many of which type of drop your teammates are uploading. You can also access information up here where it will show your name, your email address, and your plan type. Here you can click on settings, invite team members, access billing information, or go directly to Premium Analytics. You can also download a desktop app or log out. We have 4 different pricing plans for Droplr: 2 for individuals, Pro and Pro Plus, and 2 for businesses, Team for teams up to 15 members, and Enterprises for larger businesses. The differences between Pro and Pro Plus come in terms of limits on file storage, bandwidth, and the length of screen recordings, as well as Pro Plus having a few additional features. Enterprise plans also have a few more features than Teams and can have more team members on them. For pricing, you can choose to be billed monthly or annually. Being billed annually will save you some money. Pro plans start at $4 a month or $48 annually for individuals, and Team and Enterprise plans start at $5 per month per user. If you have any more questions about Droplr, you can access our live chat on our website. Here you can submit your question, and our Droplr bot will either connect you with a live customer service representative or will lead you to an article that can answer your question. You can also access our help articles directly from our knowledge base here. Search for the topic that you need help on, or click on one of the following categories in order to access an article that can answer your questions. Thank you for watching this webinar and learning more about Droplr. Once again, if you have any more questions, feel free to go to our Help Center or contact us on our live support. We hope that with our screenshot and screen recording product, you'll be able to quickly share your screen with your coworkers and clients and ultimately get work done faster.